Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Before watching this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Today I want to tell about a news of cryptocurrencies.
C charges 12 individual offer 300 million crypto pyramid schemes. CEC had filed a lawsuit in the USDT card against the founder and promoters for forgery who allege fellow a 300 million textbook pyramid and Ponzi scheme. The Securities and Exchange Commission has charged 11 individuals for their alleged role in the creation of fraudulent crypto pyramid schemes platform for Sage. The charger will lead a United States District Court in Illinois on Monday, with the CEC alleging that founder and promoters of the platform used the fraudulent crypto pyramid and Ponzi scheme to raise more 300 million from billions of retail investors worldwide. The CEC complaint states the forgeries was modeled such the investor would be financially rewarded by recruiting new investors to the platform in the crypto Ponzi sector. Widespread multi-countries include the United States and Russia. According to CEC, and Ponzi segment is investment fund that pay existing investors with funds collected from the investor. That seems often solid new investor by promising to even spawn an opportunity that grant high return for risk. In the card document, the CEC stated it did not sell or purport to sell any actual consumable products to fight retired customers during the revealed the period had no apparent surge of revenue other than funds received from investors. The primary way for investors to make money for Ponzi was to recruit others into the scheme. According to CEC, Ponzi already Ponzi schemes work by firstly enabling new investors to set up crypto asset wallet and purchase slot from Ponzi small contracts. The slot will give the room to earn compensation from others whom they recruit into the scheme, referred to as downlines, and also from the community for Ponzi investors in the form or profit sharing, referred to as spillovers. Caroline Wilson, active chief or CIC Crypto Asset and Cyber Unit colleague for Sage fraudulent pyramid scheme, launched an business child and aggressively marketed to investors. She also added that decentralized technologies cannot act as an escape for illegal conduct. Fraudsters cannot circumvent the federal securities law by processing their schemes on smart contracts and blockchains. In addition to the future founders, who include Vladimir Oktanovich, Jendo Akal Ferrari, Mikhail Seferej, and Seferej Maskalov, the CIC complaint also includes 7 promoters, 3 of which were its US-based promotion group called the Crypto Crusader. All 12 individuals have been charged with brutalizing understated offer and sales of securities under Section 5N of C, fraud under Section of the U.S. Securities Act. The defendants have also been charged with fraud under Section 10B or C of the U.S. Exchange Act. This effort enabled the Ponzi sector to capture the massive call that in cheaper retail investor buying into the offer the last of year, said Wells Hans. In September 2020, Ponzi was subject to cease and desist order from the Philippine CEC in March 2021. The platform also received cease and desist order from the Monata Customary of Security in Insecure Ponzi YouTube channel, so that its platform was promoted as little as 10 ago. The platform Twitter account also operates active. Cointelegraph received ought presage to override a comment on matter but did not reserve it an immediate response. CEC had filed last in the U.S. District Court against the founder and promoter of Forsage, who alleged full a 300 million textbook pyramid and Ponzi scheme. The Securities and Exchange Commission has charged 12 individuals for their alleged role in the creation of the federal crypto pyramid scheme platform Forsage. The charges were laid in the United States District Court in Illinois on Monday, with the CEC alleging that the founder and promoter of the platform used the fraudulent crypto pyramid and Ponzi scheme and to raise $200 million from millions of retail investors do it.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you guys.